Welcome to our video on cut and sew manufacturing. In this video, we will explore what cut and sew manufacturing is all about, how it works, the benefits and challenges, and how to find the right cut and sew manufacturer. So be sure to watch to the end. Do you want to create unique, exclusive apparel products that customers would be willing to pay premium prices for and wouldn't mind creating them from scratch? Perhaps you only want to focus solely on design and marketing while allowing someone else with experience handle production. Cut and sew manufacturing is your best bet. Cut and sew manufacturing is exactly what the name suggests. Cutting out materials, often using a pattern, and sewing the cut pieces together to create a unique product. This process is different from the conventional clothing production process of customizing blanks, as they require starting from scratch. The cut and sew manufacturing process is ideal if you want your clothing line to stand out in the market, as it gives you a lot of flexibility and control. Cut and sew manufacturing typically involves the following processes. 1. Design. The design process will largely be your responsibility. You will need to create a detailed tech pack to ensure your designs are effectively communicated to the manufacturer. 2. Pattern making. Once the clothing manufacturer receives your designs, the next step would be to create patterns based on your designs, which will be used to create a sample. If things go well, the pattern will be used to mass produce your creation. 3. Fabric selection and preparation. It is at this stage that the production materials are selected, and this can either be a collaborative effort or exclusively done by the manufacturer. 4. Cutting the fabric. This is often done using manual tools or automated machines to cut the fabric into components. 5. Sewing and assembly. Skilled workers stitch and assemble the pieces into the final sample. If after reviewing the sample and you like it, you'd give the manufacturer the go-ahead to mass produce. The advantages of cut and sew manufacturing are as follows. 1. Complete customization. Cut and sew manufacturing allows for unparalleled levels of customization. From choosing unique fabrics to crafting precise patterns and styles, this method enables the creation of one-of-a-kind products. Brands can develop items tailored to specific needs, ensuring that their offerings stand out in a competitive market. 2. Superior quality. This process emphasizes craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each product is made from individual components, ensuring meticulous construction. The focus on quality materials and precise assembly often results in a longer-lasting and better-performing final product compared to mass production methods. 3. Flexibility in design. Cut and sew manufacturing offers immense flexibility when it comes to design. Whether you're working on complex patterns, intricate details, or unique shapes, this approach can handle it all. This flexibility is particularly valuable for businesses that need to adapt quickly to trends or customer demands. 4. Variety of materials. From cotton and wool to high-performance technical fabrics, cut and sew manufacturing supports a wide range of materials. This versatility allows brands to explore new textures and functionalities, catering to diverse markets such as fashion, sportswear, and industrial gear. 5. Scalability. Cut and sew manufacturing is ideal for both small-scale and large-scale production. Whether you need a limited run for a boutique collection or large volumes for a corporate order, the process can be scaled to meet your requirements. This makes it suitable for startups and established businesses alike. Though efficient, the cut and sew manufacturing process is riddled with lots of challenges, making it unsuitable sometimes. Knowing the potential challenges you'd encounter will help you decide early on if it's a good route for your business, hence, ensuring you don't waste your time and effort. That being said, here are some of the common challenges you might encounter. 1. Finding a compatible manufacturer. Finding a sewing factory that meets your budget and can produce to your exact specifications is never an easy task. 2. Communicating your design ideas. You will struggle a lot if you don't know how to make a mock-up or a tech pack. So the earlier you pick up these skills, the better for you. 3. Finances. Developing quality samples can take a lot of back and forths, which can eat deep into your pockets. In addition, many companies have minimum order quantities requirements, and they aren't always pocket-friendly. Finding a reputable cut and sew manufacturer that delivers quality products at pocket-friendly prices isn't that easy. It gets harder when you put minimum order quantity in the equation, as some manufacturers can only work with you for orders north of 500 pieces. But don't let that scare you. Although hard, it's not impossible. Here are some ingenious ways to connect with good apparel manufacturing companies. 1. Know what you want. Although it might sound like a cliche, it's important to know what you want and have a clear set of goals before you begin searching for a manufacturer. You need to know exactly what you wish to produce, the needed materials, your budget, and lead times. Knowing these details outlined will help you communicate effectively with potential manufacturers. It's also important to keep in mind that no manufacturer can produce every type of apparel design. As such, having a good idea of what you are looking to produce will make your search easier. 2. Decide if you want a local or overseas manufacturer. Location is an important variable that will influence your choice of manufacturer. You could either go local or pick one overseas, and each has its pros and cons. Working with local manufacturers allows for seamless communication. You could easily drive in and request updates to your design. The downside is that it isn't always the most cost-effective option. Overseas manufacturers, on the other hand, will likely offer better prices, but it might come at the expense of quality. Plus, communication can be much harder. 3. Do a Google search. Now that you know what you want to produce and where you want to produce it, it's about time you search for a manufacturer to handle the sewing process. Doing a Google search is a good starting point. Ideally, you will want to add the location you have in mind in the search term. For example, you can try cut and sew manufacturers plus your target location, or apparel manufacturer plus your target location. 4. Check on Reddit. Reddit can be a good place to find reputable manufacturing companies that can deliver. You can use it in 2 ways: ask for recommendations or seek the opinions of other fashion entrepreneurs about a manufacturer. 5. Check on Alibaba. If your eyes are set on Chinese manufacturers, Alibaba would be a great place to find them. To use, simply open the Alibaba homepage and filter for manufacturers. Then search based on the type of apparel product you wish to produce. This will bring up a list of potential manufacturers. Find the one you like and chat them up. Cut and sew manufacturing is the way to go for fashion entrepreneurs looking to create unique products for which customers would be willing to pay premium prices. Its emphasis on quality, customization, and adaptability ensures its relevance in an ever-evolving market. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a follow to get more helpful content like this. You can always check out our website at www.uphance.com to learn more about our products.